Grad NDs for me are useful for two things. One is to balance the exposure, if you need to do that, of course. But the second is to already nudge the photo into the artistic post-processing that you want to do with it. Okay. So if you put it down straight, it's balanced, it's okay. But I would do something like maybe this. Angle it a little bit into this direction.
So I have more light on the right.
Yeah,
left
you darken
side,
more this side and that side, but very slight, smooth. If we had the sun, then I would do the other way.
Okay,
I would use it to balance.
To block the sun out.
Yeah, to balance where it's definitely overexposing.